Hi everyone, welcome to Clove and Cumin. Today we're making chicken keema. Ready in about 15 minutes, this recipe is perfect when you want a flavorful meal but have no time to cook. To begin, heat a skillet over medium heat and add 3 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, add half a cup of onions. Add 4 thinly sliced garlic cloves and sauté until the onions are transparent. Now add a pound of ground chicken and sauté until brown. Add 1 diced tomato, a 1/4 teaspoon each of cumin and coriander, an 1/8 teaspoon of red chili powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala, an 1/8 teaspoon of turmeric powder, a teaspoon of mustard, 1 tablespoon of thinly sliced ginger, and 2 green chilies. Cook for about 10 minutes and stir to combine. Now add 1 teaspoon of salt. And you're done! Will you look at that? Garnish with chopped cilantro and enjoy. I hope you enjoyed this video. Till next time!